I'm Kruti.
And we've been a part of Dance for Life for about 2 years.
Yeah, 2 years. We started in school because we're in sixth form and we just do volunteering, and that's how we got introduced with the people who are actually HIV positive, and that was, I think, probably an eye-opener for us that it exists out in the world and we should not be quiet about it.
And they give us their stories as well.
Yeah.
We've done quite a lot in school. We've been raising awareness amongst our age people, like 17 to 18 year olds, also GCSE students. We've done quite a lot of things like dance-a-thons.
And we went to year 10s to teach them about sexual education, because even though it's in our curriculum, it's not implemented enough.
It's not focused a lot on HIV and AIDS.
Yeah, so we kind of just went and gave basic information so that at least they know basic, if nothing else, and encouraged them and told them about Dance for Life, so maybe in the future they would like to get involved too.
As well as raising awareness, we've taught a lot of people about what it is. Like, you go around the playground and be like, oh, you're in Dance for Life, aren't you? And then like, they know who we are, and they also know about Dance for Life. If no one else is going to, it's where the future generations who are going to be standing up amongst MPs, whoever, you know, people can listen to us. You might be afraid that, oh, you don't have a voice, but you actually do.
Yeah, and what is that we say, Tashi? I can.
You can.
Together we can all.